Hi everyone. So welcome back to Rose Kitchen. Today it's going to be a Kadai Paneer. Here are the ingredients for the Kadai Paneer. This is about 200 grams paneer cut into cubes. Then this is one capsicum cut into large slices. You could also use a green pepper cut into wedges, and that's about a small onion cut into wedges. There is some green peas, about 50 grams, which is optional. Here we have ingredients for onion and tomato paste. That's one medium onion cut into slices, 2 tomatoes cut into cubes, half an inch of ginger thinly sliced, about 2 to 3 garlic cloves and 3 red chilies. So here we have the ingredients for the masala mix. This is 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 small bay leaves or 1 large bay leaf, and 2 cloves which I'm going to crush, and there is 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. There's also 1 teaspoon of chili powder which will be used separately in the process of the making the paneer. There is about 3 teaspoons of butter, and I'm going to need some oil in the process. I have put 2 tablespoons of oil into a frying pan, and now I'm going to add the onions and the capsicum that was cut into wedges and large slices, and saute it for a couple of minutes. Give it a bit of a stir time to time till the onions are soft. There's a beautiful aroma that's coming out of the capsicum and the onion. Now it's done. I'm going to transfer this to another dish. That's the lightly fried capsicum and onion that is set aside for later. Into the same pan, put about a teaspoon of butter. And when it's melting, toss in the paneer. So slowly turn the paneer so that all sides of it start turning brown. The paneer is fried, and I have put it onto a paper towel to drain the oil. I'm going to use the same pan now to make the onion and tomato mix, which will be turned into a paste. I have put about 1 tablespoon of oil to put in the onion, the garlic, ginger and the red chilies. Stir it till the onions are soft. Then add the tomatoes finally. Stir it a bit and keep it close for about 5 minutes. Then you can actually open it and stir it a bit more, and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes, stirring time to time till the tomatoes are really soft and the onions also have become very soft. So now this is almost done. It is a wonderful aroma that's coming with the ginger and the garlic blended in. Now I'm going to take it off the fire and leave it to cool, because the next step will be to put it into a blender and blend it into a smooth paste. I'm going to put the cooled mixture into a blender and grind it into a smooth paste. Now take the same saucepan that we have been making the onion and tomato paste, and then put 2 teaspoons of oil and about 2 teaspoons of butter. Put the chili powder in. then the tomato and onion paste. Stir it well in with the chili powder and the paste. I'm going to also put a little bit of water into the blender which had this paste in, so that I take all the good bits out of it, and I'm going to pour that also into this. I'm putting the rest of the condiments in. What I mentioned were for the masala mix, and then stir it. I'm also going to add the green peas at this point because it needs to boil for a little while. I'm going to put about a half a cup of water and close this pan and keep it for about 5 minutes till the green peas are cooked and also the oil starts separating from the mix. So remember that the green peas are completely optional. I just had some at home, so which I used. Now it's simmered down a bit. I'm going to pop in the onion and capsicum which we fried up right at the beginning. And I'm also going to add a little bit of salt, maybe about half a teaspoon, not too much because the paneer is salty. So you might want to taste for salt before you put any more. So when the gravy starts getting a little bit thicker, you can pop in the paneer as the last step. So after the paneer has been put in, let it cook for about another couple of minutes and then take it off the fire. If you have some coriander leaves at home, chop up a little and add to the paneer. It will give a additional flavor, beautiful flavor, and also be a lovely garnish. So there you go. That's looking absolutely delicious and smells so good. So please go and try it out, and if you like it, give it a like on my channel and subscribe to my channel as well. So until next time, from Rose Kitchen.